Hello dear mathematicians. In this video we are going to learn about basic proportionality theorem. It is commonly known as BPT and also some people call it as Thales theorem. नाम अलग अलग है but all the meaning like all the three words represent the same theorem. So for this to understand this theorem, let's first take a triangle. So as you can see on the screen, there is a triangle and I have given the name to this triangle as triangle ABC. Now what this theorem says is कि अगर भैया इस triangle ABC में if I make a parallel line parallel to any side, so for this particular example I've taken a line which is parallel to, if you can figure out, can you try to guess ये line किससे parallel है? ये जो green line बनी है, let's give it the name DE. So DE is parallel to obviously BC. ठीक है? So this theorem says if DE is parallel to, this is the sign of parallel, D is parallel to BC, then what will happen is AE upon EC will be equal to AD upon DB. This is a simple theorem. So this is all it is. What this theorem says is if I draw any parallel line, तो जो दो segments बनेंगे वो ratio में होंगे. They will be in equal ratio. So इसमें जो दो segments बन रहे हैं, first segment is AE and EC and the other segment is AD and DB. So these would be divided in equal proportion. इसलिए इसका नाम proportionality theorem है. Let me take you through another example. So I'll just clear my drawings here first of all to make you understand this theorem in a different way. What I'll do is I'll make a different line this time. I'll make a line this way. Okay. Now this red line, let's name it something else. What should we name it? Let's name it X, Y. This line is XY. Now I'm telling you XY is parallel to AC. Okay. We can see it in the diagram. XY is parallel to AC. Now, in this case, according to BPT, what will happen is BX upon AX will be equal to BY upon CY. जो भी दो segments divide हो रहे हैं, एक ये दो segments हो गए और ये दो segments हो गए, these will always be in equal proportion or in equal ratio. That's why we write this, and this is what this theorem states कि हमेशा whenever I am drawing any parallel line to any side, जो parts divide हो रहे हैं they will be in equal ratio, और equal ratio को proportion भी कहते हैं, they will be in equal proportion. ठीक है? So this is the basic theorem that you need to understand. Now we will see how do we apply this theorem in different questions, कि इसके questions कैसे आते हैं. So first and the very basic questions that usually comes is कि भैया let's go back to our green line, and as we have named it DE. The most and common question from this theorem is कि भैया question is in the question it is given कि AE is parallel to BC. This is given. And what else is given? It is given कि AE equals to 2 cm, EC equals to 10 cm, and AD equals to 3 cm. You have to find out DB. Now what are the steps to solve this kind of problem? Okay. तो सबसे पहले तो ये होता है कि हमको लिखना होता है गिवन एंड टू फाइंड. सो दिस बिकम्स माय गिवन and this is to find. Okay, now my step one after writing this will be, I'll write the ratio according to the BPT. So according to BPT, what will be my ratio? According to BPT, my ratio will be AE upon EC equals to AD upon DB. Now once I have written this according to BPT, the last step is very simple बच्चों. The last step is very simple. I think you might have already figured it out. हमको बस values put करनी है. जो question में दिया हुआ है we'll put the values, और जिसकी value नहीं दी हुई है we'll find the answer accordingly. For example, A equals to 2, EC equals to 10, AD equals to 3, and DB को तो we will write just DB. Oh, sorry, I wrote will be DB. ठीक है. Now you can solve it. 2 से 10 कटा 5, and then you will cross multiply. I hope you know what is cross multiplication. DB will go on the other side. It will become DB equals to, and this 5 will also come on the right hand side. It will become 3 to 5, which is equals to 15 centimeter. Now this here is your answer. So this is how a question comes in the BPT theorem. आपको 3 parts दिए होंगे. In this scenario we had AE given, AD given, EC given. हमको ये नहीं पता था BD. This is what we calculated in this question. Another type of question that comes, that is थोड़ा सा rare but it also comes, is they will give you all the 4 values. आपको चारों values दे देंगे. You will know the value of all the 4 sides. ठीक है. And then you will be asked to prove. ठीक है. I'll just show you how it will come. पहले मैं sides लिखूं D E. So for example, the value is given 3, 6, 4, 8. ठीक है. आपको चारों की वैल्यू दे दी. Now you would be thinking कि भैया अगर चारों की वैल्यू दिए तो हमको करना क्या है? All you need to do in question number 2 is to prove, you have to prove DE is parallel to BC. यहाँ उल्टा है. पहले आपको दिया रहता था कि these two are parallel. Now it is not given and you have to prove this is parallel. आपको चारों values दी दी है. It's very simple. All you need to do is कि just put them in the ratio. एक बार fraction की value निकालो AE upon EC की. क्या आएगा value? AE upon EC equals to 3 upon 6, which is equals to 1 upon 2. ठीक है. And now find AD upon DB. What will be the value of AD upon DB? 4 upon 8. Again, this is also becoming 1 upon 2. Now, from equation 1 and 2, this is my equation 1, this is equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, you can say, we can say AE upon AC equals to AD upon DB. Now, from this we can say, hence DE is parallel to BC. तो इसमें हमने क्या किया? We said कि भैया हमको ये नहीं पता है, let's prove this. हमने उल्टा किया. पहले क्वेश्चन में गिवन होता था ये, here it was not given. We had to prove it. So these kind of questions are known as converse. Converse का मतलब हमने उल्टा प्रूफ किया. हमने जो थ्योरम दिया था उसका उल्टा तरीके से किया. थ्योरम कहता था कि भैया अगर ये पैरेलल है तो ये होगा, बट हमने बोला कि अच्छा ये है तो ये होगा. द कॉन्वर्स. ठीक है. So this is the second type of question that you might find in the exam. Now take some time and note down both of these points. Also in your class doc, you will find the theorem itself. So also note down the theorem that is given in your class doc. Thank you.